Updating your payment method on Teletrac Navman is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the AirShock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Navigate to Billing section. Once logged in, locate the Billing or Payments section in your account dashboard. This is typically found in the Account Settings or Profile menu. Step 3. Select Payment Method. In the Billing section, look for an option to manage or update your payment methods. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter new payment information. Input your new payment details such as credit card number, expiration date, and billing address. Double-check the information for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, make sure to save the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment method on Teletrac Navman. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.